Day 8. Dimitri still making his little biscuits. Loving his belly massage and even flipping over for one. He love it. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? He peed in the litter box today. And he didn't have it all over him. So he popped a squat somehow. We didn't see it, but usually we find pee on his pads and things. And we still do, but he definitely used the litter box. The other great piece of news is his good leg, this one. Oh, no, this is the bad one, sorry. Is as warm as that one. I mean, it used to be cold. So his legs are really warm and circulated. Who's a good boy? Now he can stand up and all that. He just chooses to lay here and get love. Get up. You want to get up? You going to show him how you walk around? Come on, get up. He's just so happy. He loves us. Come here. How about you show us how you walk? Come on, ready? Go. You got it? You up? Good boy. So you can stand up. I don't know if I'm filming this quite right. I can't really see it. There we go. He can stand up. But, see, there's his walk. Oh, darn it. I'm having a hard time filming him. It's so dark in here that I have to turn the camera so I can't see what I'm filming, but it's lighting him up. So that's not working so good. All right. Well, anyway, hopefully you got some of that. Okay, get him out.